Are we live, guys? I think we're live. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Are we live? Just checking, guys. I think we're live. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Test again. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I think we're live, guys. Hello, CS. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, CS. Hello, hello. Okay, welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you, CS, for liking already. Thank you for liking already. Oh, already 100 likes already, guys. We just started. Hello, Yasmin. Welcome. Hope you're well. Hello, hello. Let me know, guys. Can you hear me? Is the audio clear? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Let me know. Doing a live on a Saturday evening. I hope everyone's doing well, guys. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. Okay. Let me know. Can you hear me? Thank you, CSG. Thank you, CS, for liking already. Hello, MA. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Clother. Welcome. Hello, John Stone. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Dreamer. Welcome, welcome. Guys, can you hear me? We'll make a start in just a minute. Sorry. Hello, SB. Oh, sorry, guys. Hello, SMX. Welcome, my friend. Long time. Hello, hello. I'm good, thank you. How are you doing? Long time, my friend. Long time. Hope you're well. Hope you're doing great, my friend. Hope you're doing great. Okay, thank you for coming in, Share. Thank you for coming in. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay. And please help me reach 10K followers, guys. That is my target now. And I'll keep shouting about it all the time. If you're new here, make sure you press that follow button. Okay. And check out the content on my page. And please keep sharing. Okay. Anyone that is doing GCSEs, A levels, Key Stage 2 SATs, even Key Stage 1 SATs, functional skills, Key Stage 3, okay, IGCSE, okay, WJC are all examples here. Just give us a shout. Not give us a shout, sorry, give us a follow, I mean. Okay, and please share my account with anyone here that might be benefiting, okay, from my. No, I get that, actually, yeah, that's good. I'm glad you're good, though. I'm glad you're good. I get that, yeah. Right, guys, we'll make a start here in just a minute or so. Hello, Gemma. Welcome, Gemma. Okay, make sure we're tapping, guys. Okay, share the like button if you can. And yeah, we shall make a start, guys. So we'll be focusing on just exam-style questions, okay, helping you prepare for your upcoming GCSEs. Hello, user, welcome, my friend. Right, guys, shall we make a start, or shall we give it one more minute? Thank you, CS, for liking. Thank you, CS, for liking. Right, guys, we shall start, okay? So, looking at some square, cube, and prime numbers, okay? So you will obviously have to recall, yeah, and remember these for your exam this year, okay? A square number is made by timesing a number by itself. Hello, Clover, welcome. Hello, hello, hope you're well. Okay, so for example, 1 squared is 1, okay, 1 times 1 is 1, okay, 2 times 2 is 4, okay, 3 times 3 is 9, okay, so on and so forth, okay. So your job is to learn these, okay, for your exam this year, okay. So a square number is made by timesing by a number, timesing a number, yeah, by itself once. A cube number is made by timesing a number by itself twice. Okay, and then a prime number is a number that has explicitly two factors, one in itself. Okay, one is not a prime number. Okay, a really common mistake. Okay, the first even prime number, yeah, is 2. Okay, the rest are odd. Okay, so a prime number has explicitly two factors, one in itself. Okay, so it's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, yeah, 53. Okay, so my advice here is to obviously learn these. Okay, but yeah, okay, so square, cube, and prime numbers. Okay, so that was just a little recap. Right, so first section, okay, so again, all the topics here are at the bottom. So number, yes, so work with negative numbers, okay. So work out the calculations, okay, -6 plus 2, well, that'll be -4, okay. Start at -6 here on the number line and go 2 to the right, okay. This next one, -6 minus 2, that'll be -8 or -8. Okay, start at -6 and go 2 to the left on the number line. Okay, gets you to -8. Next one, -6 times 2, that'll be -12 or -12. Okay, because the signs are different, the sign of my answer will be negative. Okay, next one, -6 times -2, the signs here are the same, so it'll be +3 or just 3. Okay, next one, -6 divided by -2. Here the signs are the same, so it will be +3 or just 3. Okay, okay, last one, 6 divided by -2. So here the signs are different. Okay, so it'll be -3, okay, or -3. Okay, so if the signs are the same, okay, and on times you're dividing, then the answer will be positive. If the signs are different, then it will be negative, okay? That's the first part done, okay? We got -4, -8, -12, 12, 3, and -3, okay? Next question. There are 312 chairs and 13 classrooms in a primary school. Each classroom has the same number of chairs. How many chairs are there in each classroom? And I'm going to do 312 divided by 13. So again, use the bus stop method for this. Okay. So let's work out. Okay, so take our time with this. Okay. So 13s into 3 don't go. Okay. 13s into 31. Again, if you're not sure, write out here to the side. We've got 13, 26, 39, okay, 52, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, then it goes to 65, okay, so on and so forth. So it goes in twice, cleanly, with a remainder of 5, okay, and then 13s into 52 go 4 times. So there are 24 chairs in each classroom, okay? That's my answer for question number 2, okay? So that's how we do short division using the bus stop, okay? Again, very important skill, okay, for higher and foundation, okay? So again, more practice here. I would advise you checking out Maths Genie or Maths Made Easy or Corbett Maths, okay, and practice here, obviously dividing with the bus stop. There we go, okay, so answer there. Okay, next one. So m is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5. So let's work it out. Okay, so let's work it out, okay. So that'll be 9. So we got 2 times 9 times 5. So m equals 18 times 5, which is 90. Okay, right. Which of the following statements are true? M is a prime number. Well, no, because 90 is not prime, so that's not true. Okay, that's false. Put across there. Okay, M is a multiple of 6. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, if you're not sure, let's just double check. So 90 divided by 6. Well, 6 into 9 go once. The remainder of 3. 6 into 30 go 5 times. So that answer is 15. Okay, so yep, so it is, yeah, in the 6 times table. Next one, m is a square number. That's not true, okay, because the square root of 90 does not give you an integer or a whole number answer. Okay, so that's not true. The last digit of m is 0. That is true, okay. So again, this topic here, looking at prime factors, okay. So Manol's got a question here. So Manol, yeah, so this is aimed at GCSE and non-12 maths year, foundation tier, but it's also appropriate for higher tier as well. Okay, it's the crossover topic of foundation and higher, okay, for year 11 year, okay, students here in the UK, okay. I hope that helps. Are there any other questions, guys? Hello, Chef Del Becky, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, and check out the content on my page, okay, and please help me reach 10k followers, okay, by the end of this year. Right. Okay, next question. Okay, we've got false. Okay, true, false, true. Okay, next question. Okay, looking at fraction, decimal percentages. Okay, so Isla and Ben both earn the same monthly salary. Okay, so salary just means income. Okay, or money coming in here from their job. Isla saves 50% of her salary. Ben saves 1/5 of his salary. Work out who saves the most amount of money each month. Well, if we convert these, okay, into fractions that I can obviously work with, hopefully you recognize that 1/5, okay, so let's write out, yeah, write out 100 years to make it clear. So from 5 to 100, we times by 20. So yeah, so do 1 times 20 on the top. Okay, 1 times 20 is 20. So 1/5, sorry, is equivalent here to 20 hundredths, okay, which is equal to 20%. Now, hopefully, if you compare the percentages now, hopefully you can see, okay, that Ben saves more, okay, because 20% is greater than 15%, okay, so that is my answer for that question, okay. So this is comparing size for fraction, decimal, and percentage, okay. I hope that makes sense. Right, next question. Okay, let's move on. So Ben, there we go. Let's move on. Right, next one. Okay, so working out fraction of amounts. Hello, E. Welcome, E. Hello. Thank you for coming tonight. Yeah, thank you for joining tonight. Part A, 1/5 of 40. Again, a fraction of an amount. We divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So we do 40 divided by 5 and then times it by 1. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So 1/5 of 40 is 8. Okay. Wow, Ish, that is amazing. Well done, you. That is amazing. Well done, my friend. That is amazing. Okay. Big, massive well done, Ish. Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay, well done, my friend. Well done. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah. 228, yeah, out of 214 higher. Fantastic work. Okay. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, thank you for sharing it. Part B, work out 5/8 of 48. Again, we do 48 divided by 8 and then times it by 3. Okay, 48 divided by 8 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so a fraction of an amount, a fraction of a quantity, a fraction of a number, we divide by the denominator and then we multiply by the numerator. Okay, divide by the bottom and times by the top. Okay, right, next question. Let's move on. Okay, so which card has the greatest value? Okay, so let's work it out. Okay, so let's do this one first. Yeah, because obviously a bit more easier. So 3/4 times 2/5. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 5 is 20. So I get 6/20. Okay. If you want to make it into obviously 3/10. Okay, that's also fine. Okay, dividing fractions, use the KFC method or KCF method. Keep, flip, change. So we keep the first fraction. Okay. We flip the second fraction. So it becomes 5/2. And then change it to a times. Okay, so multiply fraction, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. So it should be 3, actually. Sorry, it should be a 3 there. Sorry about that. Should be a 3 there. So let's make it a bit more clearer. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. So 15/8. Well, that's bigger than 3/10. So it can't be this one. Okay. What about this one? Okay. So again, adding fractions, we want to find the common denominator. Okay. I'm gonna so times this fraction here, top and bottom by 5. So I get 15/20. And then times the second fraction by 4. Okay, top and bottom. So I get 8/20. Okay, putting in the plus sign, the plus symbol. Okay, 15 plus 8, and I get 23. So I get 23/20, which is equal to 1 whole and 3/20, or 3/20. Okay. This one I'm going to actually ignore because I'm minusing fractions here. So that is going to get smaller. So it can't be this option here. Okay, so it's either this or this. Okay, so let's find out, this one here. So that goes in once with a remainder of 7. So 1 and 7, 8. Hopefully you can see quite visibly that 7/8 is definitely bigger than 3/20. Okay, if you're not sure, let's obviously compare it. Okay, if you're not sure, okay. Or for anyone, that is like rewatching this, okay. the live. So times it there, times it by there. Okay, so 3 times 8, that'll be 24. 20 times 7, that'll be 140. Hopefully you can see that that is going to be bigger than that. Okay, so therefore, okay, this is the biggest answer. Okay, so this answer here is the biggest. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That is working with fractions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. So for adding and subtracting fractions, you want to find a common denominator. Okay, multiply fractions is quite easy. So multiply top by top, bottom by bottom, and then simplify if possible. Dividing fractions, remember the famous acronym KFC. Keep, flip, change. Okay, let's go. Okay, next one. So looking at some place value. So use the fact that 371 times 93 is equal to, okay, 94,000, okay, 500, okay, and 3 to work out the following. So part A, 37.1 times 9.3. Okay, so I've divided this by 10, okay, and divided this by 10. So I'm dividing my overall answer by 10 squared or by 100. Okay, so so it'd be 1 and then 2 different places. So the answer for that will be 345.03. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Let me know. Does that make sense? Are there any questions? Okay, so this is looking at our place value knowledge. Okay, so next one, 34,503. Okay, divided by 9.3. Again, yeah, I'm working in reverse. Well, if I divided it by 93, I'd get 371. So that's obviously 10 times smaller. So that'll have to be 10 times bigger. So that'll be 3,710. And that, guys, would be my final answer, okay? Because I've divided this by 10, okay? So to obviously to keep it in check, then I've obviously got to times this by 10 to balance it out. And I get 3,170, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Are there any questions? Okay, so, sorry if we're going actually a bit fast. Are there any questions? Let me know. Hello, Sonic. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Off. Welcome, my friend. Welcome here. Welcome, everyone here that's new, guys. Thank you for being here tonight. Guys, make sure you're following, okay, and help me reach that 10K follower mark. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, user. That's so kind of you, user. Thank you so much. That is so kind of you, okay? Guys, I'm here to obviously help actually and support you guys as much as I can here for your exams. Okay, thank you. Thank you, CSE, for liking. Thank you, Nicola Edwards, for liking. Hello, Lexi. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay. But guys, yeah, make sure you're obviously following. Okay, and check out the videos here on my page. And please, please share my account with anyone here that might benefit, okay, from my maths videos. Okay, I'm here to help you and support everyone up and down the country and obviously across the world. Okay, and I'll try and do as many lives here as possible on weekend if possible. Okay, and the weekday obviously evenings. Okay, but yeah, I'm here to support guys. Yeah, okay, but thank you for all the comments. Okay, hello Charlie, welcome, welcome. But yeah, welcome to everyone that's new, guys. Okay, so that's my answer for that question. Okay, yeah, if you can't see, sorry, I'll just delete some bits here so you can see the White Rose maths answer. There we go. But yeah, guys, any questions, please obviously ask me. Okay. So my screen is here. So I use an app here. I think it's called OBS. Okay, so so if you download I think it's OBS, then it allows you to like share your screen online, if that makes sense. Hello user, very welcome, my friend. Right, next question, okay? So write 32% as a fraction in its simplest form. Well, percent means out of 100, so it'd be 32 hundredths. Okay, so remember, yeah, percent or percentage means out of 100, okay, means per 100. Okay, they're both even, so I can divide top and bottom by 2. I get 16 50ths. Again, both even again. Divide top and bottom by 2. I'm going to get 8 25ths. Okay, so 32%, yeah, as a fraction in its simplest form is 8 25ths. Okay, so remember, percent means per 100. Okay, there we go. Okay, 8 25ths. Okay, next question. So working out a percentage of an amount. So work out 35%, yeah, of 80 meters. So first step is to work out 10%. So 10% of 80 means divide it by 10. So that will be 8. Okay, so 8 meters. 5% is half of 10%, which would be 4. Okay, and then 30% is 3 lots of 10%. So 8 times 3, which is 24. Okay, I want 35%, yeah, so I want these two here. So 35%, guys, of 80 is equal to 28 meters, okay? That's working out a percentage of an amount, okay? So 10% of any quantity, we divide it by 10. 5%, yeah, is always half of 10%, okay? And then 1% of any quantity, yeah, means divided by 100. Okay, 50%, yeah, means you half it. Okay, 25%, yeah, means obviously a quarter. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, the main ones are 50%, 25%, 10%, and 1%, and then you're able to work out any that you want. Okay, so that is working out a percentage of an amount. There we go. Well done, my friend. Well done. That is amazing. Yeah, that is amazing. And 9 in maths is amazing. Well done, my friend. Big well done, actually. Big well done, okay? Well done, my friend. Good job. That is amazing, okay? And 9 is amazing, okay? Obviously, any good this year is amazing. But yeah, 9 is fantastic, okay? Good job. Okay, next one. So looking at some standard form actually here. So work out 8 times 10 to the 6 plus 4 times 10 cubed. Okay, so let's work it out. Okay, so that will be 8 and then 6 zeros. So 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus, and that'll be 4 and then 3 zeros, so 4,000. So the answer will be 8 million, I think, and then 4,000. Okay, and if I want to do, yeah, that will be 8.004 times 10 to the power of, well, going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 8.00. Okay, that. Okay, next one. So 8 times 10 to the 6 minus 4 times 10 cubed. Okay, so let's write out, yeah, in column method. So we're going to have, okay, 8 million. Okay, and then we're subtracting 4,000. Yeah, so make sure, yeah, obviously put it in like the correct place value. So 4 goes there. Okay, obviously the rest are going to be zeros. Okay, so 0 take away 0. Okay, is 0. 0 take away 0 is going to be 0. 0 take away 0 is going to be 0. 0 take away 4, I can't do anything to borrow off this. That'll be a 7. That'll be a 10. That'll be a 9. That'll be a 10. That'll be a 9. That'll be a 10. 10 take 4, okay, is going to be 6. Okay, and then obviously, yeah, 9, 9, 9. So it's 7 million, okay, 996,000, okay, sorry, yeah, 96,000. And that, guys, is my final answer, okay? What about this next one, okay? So 8 times 10 to the 6 times 4 times 10 cubed. Again, numbers go with numbers, okay? Indices, yeah, go with indices, okay? So 8 times 4 is 32. 10 to the 6 times 10 cubed, well, that'll be 10 to the power of 9, okay, from our laws of indices, okay? When I have a base number here to a power times the same base number to another power, we add the powers, okay? So I can write that as 3.2 times 10 to the power of 10 in standard form. Okay, remember, yeah, standard form, guys, yeah, it's number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the power of something, okay? That power, yeah, can be positive, yeah, or negative, okay? And then last one, 8 times 10 to the 6th divided by 4 times 10 cubed. Again, numbers go with numbers, powers go with powers. So 8 divided by 4 is 2 times by 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 cubed. So here I'm dividing. I'm going to subtract the powers. So 6 take away 3 is 3. So it's 2 times 10 cubed, okay, or 2,000, yeah, okay. Either way, it's going to be fine. Okay, and then for this one, yeah, okay, for question 2, that will be 7.996 times 10 to the power of what? That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So power of 6 there. Okay, that's for question 2. Okay, so that is working, guys. Yeah, with standard form. Okay, are there any questions? Okay, or does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Let me know. So Daisy likes to see, awesome, Daisy, awesome, awesome. All right, let's move on then. Okay, there are the answers. Right, next part. Okay, so write the ratio 40 to 24 in its simplest form. Okay, they're both even, so I can half it. That'll be 20 to 12. Again, they're both even, so I can half it. Okay, that'll be 10 to 6. Half it again, and I get 5 to 3. Okay, that can't go any further because 5 and 3 do not have any more common factors other than 1. Okay, so that's now in its simplest form. Okay, there's no other common factor other than 1 that go into 3 and 5. Okay, or than user. Okay, spot on user. Okay, spot on user. Awesome. Okay, awesome. There we go. Okay, right. Next question. So Mo has some 20 pence and 50 pence coins in his pocket. Okay, the ratio of 20p coins to 50p coins in Mo's pocket is 5 to 2. What fraction of the coins in Mo's pocket are 50 pence coins? Okay, well, that'll be 2, okay, out of the total, which is 5 plus 2. So the answer would be 2 sevens, okay? So the answer is 2 7. That's because 2 parts are 50p, okay, and 5 parts are 20p, okay. It is not asking for the amount, it is just asking for what fraction of it, okay. So be careful, actually, be careful, okay. Yeah, so this is looking at some ratio, okay? Well done, well done, user. Yep, spot on, user. Hello, UAce. Welcome, my friend. Guys, if you're around here, make sure you press that follow button, okay? So press that follow button, please, and help me reach 10K followers here, okay? ASAP. Okay, next question. Okay, looking at some inverse proportionality here. So it takes 4 builders 20 weeks to build a house. Okay, how long would it take, or would it take 16 builders to build the same house? State any assumptions you made. Well, the logic here is the more builders I have, the less time it takes. Okay, so think about, yeah, so 4 builders, okay, take 20 weeks. 16 builders, well, that will take a quarter of it, okay? So a quarter of 20 is 5, okay? 20 divided by 4 is 5. So it would take, okay, 16 builders, okay, 5 weeks. Okay, again, yeah, assuming, yeah, they all work, yeah, at the same rate. So the assumption here is, yeah, so they all work at the same rate. Okay, that is key. Obviously, if it's that, sorry about that, guys. Sorry, my handwriting here is actually pretty terrible. Sorry about that. So they all work at, so yeah, should be an at there. So that A looks a bit fat there, I apologise. So they all work at the same rate. Obviously, if they work at different rates, then yes, obviously the actual time would like differ. Okay, but we assume, yeah, that yeah, they're all working, yeah, at that house building, yeah, okay, in the same way. Okay, yes, user, yes, that's true, yes, yes. They must have cement actually, yes. So no house here, okay. Yeah, so you must build a house here with cement. Okay, no cement, there's no house. Okay, the house will just like fall down here and like crumble, okay. Literally. But yeah, that's true. Yeah, hopefully user. Hopefully they don't run out of bricks here. That's actually quite important. Yeah, they will have to obviously order a lot of bricks here. But yeah, that's true. Yeah, good shout. Okay, good shout. Okay, next question. Okay, so yeah, okay, so here, yeah, so here the key here is, yeah, okay, is that the more builders you have, the less time it takes, and the less builders you have, the more time it takes. Okay, so that is like the logic issue here. Okay, okay. Obviously, yeah, obviously, like in like real life, actually, obviously that would obviously differ because not everyone works here at like the same rate. Okay, obviously, a very efficient company, yeah, obviously, like a ideal job company would be that they have all their staff here, all the employees here, obviously work here at the same rate. But obviously, yeah, obviously everyone here is like human here, so everyone works at like a different pace. Okay, but yeah, but in like an ideal world, okay, we would want everyone, yeah, to obviously work here at the same rate. But obviously, yeah, we are all obviously, yeah, like different human beings. So yeah, it is, yeah, everyone's here like a different amount of time. Okay, but yeah, okay. Next question. There we go. Okay, yeah. So e.g., yeah, they wouldn't, yeah, work at the same rate. Right, expanding the brackets. Okay, so this is quite a big topic here on higher foundation. Okay, expand and simplify a minus 2 times a minus 1. So I'm going to do a times a, okay, which is a squared. A times minus 1 is minus 1a, or just minus a. Minus 2 times a, that'll be minus 2a. And then minus 2 times minus 1 makes positive 2. Okay, so let's, yeah, so let's obviously check your user's answer. Okay, so this is now going to simplify, yeah, to a squared. Minus a minus 2a, or minus 1a minus 2a makes minus 3a, and then plus 2. So that is my expanded version, okay, of the double bracket. Okay, so this is my quadratic expression. Okay, that is my answer for that question. Okay, so again, this is quite an important topic here. So this is a question which I'm almost certain, okay, will come up here, okay, this year, okay, on all exam papers here. So obviously practice, and revise, expanding, and factorizing, okay, that's quite a big topic. There we go. Right, next question, okay, so looking at some forming, some equations, or formulas. So a delivery firm charges £40, or sorry, a delivery firm charges a £40 fixed fee plus £8 for every mile traveled. Okay, so think of it like a taxi. Okay, so £40 fixed plus £8 per mile. So which formula shows the cost, okay, total costs, pounds, in C, or cost in pounds, of delivering an item and miles? Well, it will be C is equal to £40 plus £8 per mile. So that'll be 8 lots of M. Okay. Hopefully we can see. Sorry, that will be this option here. Okay. 40 plus 8M. Okay. So it is a fixed cost here. Okay. So fixed cost of £40 and then plus 8M because it's £8 for every mile that is travelled. Okay. So that is my answer for that question. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Okay. There we go. Okay. Another tricky topic here. Okay. So looking at some, equations, and identities. Okay. So work out the values of A and B such that 3 brackets 2x plus A brackets closed plus 4 brackets bx plus c, sorry, bx plus 3, okay, brackets closed, okay, is equivalent to 22x plus 27. Okay, so first step here, okay, expand the brackets. So we're going to have 6x plus 3a, okay, plus 4bx, okay, plus 4b, sorry, plus 12, sorry, okay. This is identical here, equivalent to 22x, okay, plus 27. Hello, Mohammed. Welcome, Mohammed. Hello, my friend. Hope you're well. Okay. So I'm now going to compare coefficient of x's. So I've got 6 plus 4b has to equal, 22. So we got 6 plus 4b has to equal, 22. Okay. So subtract 6 minus 6. So 4b, there should be a b, there should be a b there. 4b equals 16. So b is equal to 16 divided by 4. So b is equal to 4. Okay. What about a? Well, again, let's now compare the coefficients of the constants or the numbers. We got 3a plus 12 has to, of course, equal 27. Okay, for it to be true. So we got 3a plus 12 has to equal 27. So subtract 12 on both sides. Okay. And then divide by 3. We get 3a equals 15. So a is equal to 5. Okay. So that was looking, at some identities, so equations, and identities. Okay, I would say, this is more higher tier, I think only, okay. Right, okay, looking at some solving equations now. So solve 10 plus 3b equals 25. So subtract 10 on both sides. So 3p equals 15. Okay, divide by 3 here on both sides. They cancel, so I get P is equal to 5. Okay, and that, guys, is my final answer. Okay, here we go. Right, now solving a quadratic here, slightly more trickier. So solve m squared minus 8m plus 12 equals 0. Okay, so let's obviously factorize it. So make it into double brackets. Okay, so first part is we write m and then m, because m times m makes m squared. Okay, now I want two numbers that add to give me minus 8, and the same two numbers here that times to make positive 12. That'll be minus 2 and minus 6. Minus 6 here, minus 2. Okay, because minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, and then minus 2 times minus 6 makes positive 12. Okay, so either m minus 2, okay, equals 0, or m plus 6 equals, or m minus 6 equals 0. So my two solutions are, okay, m equals 2 for the first, okay, so add 2 here to both sides, or, okay, m is equal to 6. Okay, so that is the method of factorization. Okay, there we go. Okay, show that C equals 3P minus 4R can be written as P equals C plus 4R over 3. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to add 4R to both sides. Okay, so think of it here as C equals 3P subtract 4R. Okay, step 1, I'm going to add 4R to both sides. Okay, so we get C plus 4R. Okay, is equal to 3P. I don't want 3P, I just want P. So I'm going to divide everything here by 3. So divide it by 3 there, divide all this by 3. These obviously cancel. Okay, so I'm left with C plus 4R over 3, or thirds, is equal to P, which is exactly what they've got there. Therefore, I know I must be right. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Thank you, yeah, thank you, Mia, actually. Thank you, Mia, for liking. Thank you, yeah, thank you, CSG, for liking. Are there any questions, guys? Yeah, are there any questions or not? Any questions, guys? Yeah, any questions? Let me know. Or can I move on? Thank you, CS. Yeah, thank you, CS, for liking. Thank you, Mia, for liking. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna obviously, yeah, let's obviously delete that so you can see my other workings. So that is the White Rose Maths answer. There we go. Okay, same as my answer there. Okay, bam, there we go. Okay, so step 1, we added 4R to both sides, and then we divided by 3. Okay, right, next question. So find the equation, okay, of the, why have I got, sorry about that. Why have I got, sorry, bought my pen, sorry about that. So find the equation, okay, of the line that passes through the points 0, 4, and 3 minus 2, okay? So step 1, we're going to work out the gradient here. So we're going to work out m. Okay, remember, yeah, so it's going to be y equals mx plus c. That's on a straight line equation where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so to work out m, it's the change in y over the change in x. So it's -2 minus 4 over 3 minus 0. Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So -2 minus 4 is going to be -6. We get -6 thirds, which is -2. Okay, so now I know that it's going to be in the form y equals -2x plus c. Okay, I can now substitute one of my quantities here to work out what c is. Okay, so so hopefully you're happy here. We're going to have 4 is equal to -2 times 0 plus c. Therefore, guys, 4 equals 0 plus c. Therefore, guys, c is equal to 4. Okay. So my final answer just reads y equals -2x plus 4. Okay. So that, again, is quite an important topic here for higher and foundation. Okay, working out the equation of a straight line given 2 points. Okay, in the form y equals mx plus c. Okay, so that is my answer for that question. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Or can I move on? Are there any questions? Okay, I'll take it as a yes. There we go. Right. This one I can't do actually yet because it requires a compass and projectile. So I'll come back to this one. Okay. So this one looking at loci and construction. Obviously, I can't do it yet, obviously on the screen here because I haven't got a compass. Okay. But that is the answer there. Okay, for anyone that wants to take a screenshot. Again, I'll cover this here more in my TikToks. So this topic here is loci and construction, okay? Right, next one. Triangle A and B are mathematically similar. Find the scale of enlargement of triangle A to B. Well, from 10 to 27, okay, we multiply by 2.7. And that comes from doing 27 divided by 10. Okay, so 27 tenths. Okay, I get 2.7. Okay, so that is what I call my scale factor. Okay, so again, I'll cover this more in my TikToks in the future. Okay, but essentially, is how do I go from 10 to 27? Well, I multiply by 2.7. Okay, and then if I'm going backwards, then I'm dividing by 2.7. Okay. Okay, right, next question. Danny buys 8 chocolate bars for 79p each, 79 pence each. How much change should she get from a £20 note? So let's work it out. So 8 times 79, so times it by 79. Okay, so take time here, so take our time with this. So 9 eighths are going to be 72, so 2 carry the 7. 7 eighths will be 56, plus 7. Okay, if I'm not mistaken here, so that'll be 63. Okay, I think that's right. Is that right? Yeah, it's right, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to do 2,000 pence, or £20 subtract £6 32, or 632 pennies. Okay, When I do that, guys, what do I get? Well, 0 take 2 I can't do, so I need to obviously borrow. Okay, so that becomes a 1, 10, close that, that becomes a 9, that becomes a 1, close that, that becomes a 9, that becomes a 1, 10 take 2 is 8, 9 take 3 is 6, okay, 9 take 6 is 3, we've got that 1 there, okay, so the answer reads £13.68 or 1,368 pence. Okay, either answer is fine. Okay, but my advice here, write it in pounds and pence. Okay, so that is my answer for that question. Okay, there we go. Right, next one. Okay, so looking at some bearings here. So the bearing of B from A. Okay, this is important. Yeah, from A is 138 degrees. Okay, so work out the bearing of B, sorry, of A from B. So first step, yeah, so bearing of B from A, so that'll be, that angle here, so that'll be 130 degrees. Okay, so when it says from A, it means we start at A and we bend round until we get to B, which is obviously down here. Okay, work out the bearing of A from B. So we start at B, okay, we go all the way, okay, so we want this angle here, okay. Well, we know that these two, are co-interior, okay, because I've got, parallel lines here. So these have to add to equal 180. So that will be 50 there, because 130 plus 50 makes 180. Okay, they're what I call co-interior angles, okay. So co-interior angles. So this is looking at some parallel lines, okay. And then I know that angles around a point add to equal 360. Well, that'll be 360 subtract 50. So our final answer just reads 310 degrees. Okay, that's the bearing of A from B. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, there we go. Right, so calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, so that'll be base times perpendicular height divided by 2. Okay, so it's 14 times 9 and then divide it by 2. Okay, so let's obviously make it obviously a bit easier. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we have 7 times 9 or 7 nines. So that'll be 63. And the units for area will be centimeters squared in this context. Okay, so area is always units squared. Okay, so the area of a triangle is a half times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Okay, so here, so here I did, I did 14 over 2 times 9, okay, make it obviously a bit easier, okay, rather than do 14 times 9, and then obviously half it, okay, if you make it easier for my brain, okay, that gave me 7, so we have 7 nines, so 7 lots of 9, and I get 63. Okay, so that was my little trick there. Okay. Right, next question, guys. Okay. So use the triangle to find the value of cos x. Okay. So cos, okay, is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. So that would be so that's equal to the opposite. That's the adjacent, and that's the hypotenuse. So cos, remember, cos from SOHCAHTOA, okay, so SOHCAHTOA states that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine or cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tan or tangent is opposite over the adjacent, okay? So cos of x is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so cos of x, okay, is just equal to 12 over 13. So the answer is just equal to 12/13. Okay. It is not asking for the angle. It's just asking for, is it equal? Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. Oh, careful, actually, Lottie. Careful, Lottie. Careful. Yeah. It is not sine -1. So sine, remember, yeah. So yeah, remember, Lottie. Sorry, yeah. So let me say it again, actually, yeah. So sine of an angle is opposite over the hypotenuse. Yeah. So think of it as like a little triangle. Okay. Sorry, that is not a really good triangulation there, Michelle. Sorry about that. Okay, so sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, cosine of my angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tan or tangent, okay, is that. Okay, so careful, actually, careful football, actually, careful football. It says find the value of cos x. It so it is not saying what is x, it's saying what is cos x equal to. Okay, there we go. 12/13. Okay. If it said work out the value of x, then yes, it's cos. Yes, so x would be equal to cos to -1. Okay. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. That's all right. It's all right. Yeah. It's actually important. Yeah, it's important to ask. Yes, I can. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA is just an acronym to remember our trig ratios for right angled triangles. Okay. So first step, yes. Let me start again. So I'll start again. I'll start again. Okay. So first step is we label our sides based on where the angle is. Okay. So this is my angle. Okay. This is opposite. So I label this side as O. Okay. O for opposite. Okay. This is next to the angle. So is what I call adjacent. Okay. So the word adjacent means, yeah, sat next to, yeah, or next to. And then this is the hypotenuse because it's directly opposite the right angle. Okay. We then use, yeah, a acronym, yeah, that will obviously help us remember, yeah, the trig ratios. So we say SOHCAHTOA. So what does SOHCAHTOA actually mean? Well, it's a triangle that will help us remember our trig ratios. Okay, so sine of my angle is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Okay, cosine of my angle, okay, is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tan or tangent of my angle is opposite over the adjacent, okay? So that's how I remember the trig ratio, okay? So Ayan says, yeah, can't I use the sine rule? Well, the sine rule is used in non-right angle, yeah, triangles, yeah. So this one, yeah, it is actually right angled. So I don't actually need actually the sine or cosine rule actually, yeah. Okay, I use the regular SOHCAHTOA. If it was non-right angled triangle, then yes, you're right. But this is a right angled triangle, so I don't need the sine or cosine rule, okay? That's used for right angled triangles, okay? Yeah. Does that make sense, Kaya? So is the hypotenuse always on the right side? So the hypotenuse, so that is always the longest side, so longest side, so it is always opposite the right angle, okay? So it's always opposite, okay, the right angle, okay? So it's the longest side of my triangle, okay? It is, hello, Leah, welcome, Leah. Okay, it is always opposite, yeah, the right angle, okay? So it's the longest side, okay, of my right angled triangle, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions? Let me know in the chat, please. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you press that follow button, please, okay? And help me get to 10K followers. That is my target for this year. Okay, and thank you for 4.4K likes. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, give me a second. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Sorry, guys. Give me a second so we don't obviously run out of... Sorry, that's my fault. Oh, no, wrong one. Resume, okay. Okay, can I move on, guys? Does that make sense? Yes, it is, yes. So soccer to a yes is a way, yeah, to remember, yeah, your trig ratios, okay? Awesome, okay. Oh, well, why can't I move on? There we go. Okay, right on the value of sine 30. So this year is like a funny actually little topic. Okay, it's knowing your exact trig values. So sine of 30 is just equal to a half. Okay. So again, there's quite a few like TikToks here on this one. Okay. Yes, Jamie, yeah, that is correct, Jamie. Yeah, that is correct, Jamie. Yes. Okay. So yeah, so this topic here is looking at exact trig values. If you search that exact trig values here on like TikTok there are some like fantastic actually videos on how to remember like your trig like values key for sine 0, 30, 60 and 90. Okay, there we go. Okay, next one. Okay, there are 4 red, 5 blue, and 3 green counters in a bag. One counter is selected at random. What is the probability the counter is not blue? So if it's not blue, it will either be red or green. So 4 plus 3 is 7 out of the total. 4 plus 3 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Yeah, well done, Jamie. Yeah, well done, Jamie. Yeah, well done, Jamie. So the answer is 7 twelfths, okay? Because the probability, guys, of getting blue is 5 twelfths. Okay, so not blue is 1 minus 5 twelfths, which gives you 7 twelfths. Okay, because that's 12 twelfths. Subtract 5 twelfths. Sorry, guys, by my little handwriting. Okay, and we get 7 twelfths. Okay, there we go. Right, next one. So Whitney scores or records, the number of times, okay, the number of sixes when she rolls dice. Okay, so complete the table. Okay, relative frequency. So that is just this number divided by the total. So 2 divided by 10, I get 0.2. 14 divided by 50 is 0.28. And then 50 divided by 200, if you're not sure, we're going to work it out. Divide top and bottom by 10, I get 5/20. Divide top and bottom by 5, and I get 1/4 or 1/4, which as a decimal is 0.25 or 0.25. Okay, that's my answer for part A. What about part B, guys? Which value is the best estimate of rolling a 6 on the dice? Well, it is going to be the last option because they've done the most number of trials. Okay, so the more rolls you do, the more accurate you become. Okay, so it's 0.225. Sorry. Okay, and that's because that was the one that was done most number of trials. Okay, so the more rolls you do, the more accurate your experiment is or results are. Okay, so that is that. Okay, there we go. Oh what? That's right. Sorry. Yeah. Right, looking at some bar charts. Okay, so this one, I probably can't do obviously properly, but I'll try and explain it. So the pie chart and the partially completed bar chart So it's information about students' favorite flavor of ice cream in a class. Okay. So how many students are there in the class? Okay. So in total, okay. So for pistachio, which is obviously equal to 90 degrees, yeah. So 90 degrees, that represents 15, which is a quarter. So 15 times 4. So double it and then double it again. That'll be 60. So there are 60 students here in the class. Okay. So this Kaya, so this actually a GCSE Kaya, so GCSE Kaya, higher foundation. So GCSE maths. Work out the angle size of the sector for toffee. Okay. Well, let's work it out. Okay, so for toffee, so that obviously be a 24. Okay, people. Okay. So if 15 represents obviously a quarter or 90 over 360, then what is 24 divided by 15? Okay, so let's work out to the side if you're not sure. So that will be 1 whole and 9/15. Divide top and bottom by 3. We get 1 and 3/5. Is that right? Yep. So that'd be 1.6. Okay. So I'm going to times by, wait, is that right? Sorry. Yep. So that is the scale factor. Okay. So I'm going to times 90 by 1.6. And when I do that, guys, so what is 90 times 1.6? That'll be 8/5. So that'll be 18. 18 times 8, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So 8 is going to be 64, so 4 carry the 6. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 6 makes 4. Okay, there we go, yeah, so there. So the angle for toffee here is 144 degrees. Okay, there we go, okay, so we got there in the end. Okay, so complete, the bar chart. Oops, sorry, I'll put 140, 144, sorry, yeah. Okay, 144. Okay. So raspberry, well, let's actually do caramel, sorry. So caramel, that'll be half of toffee, so that'll be half of 24, so that'll be 12. Again, a rough sketch of, sorry, it's not actually perfect with a ruler. Okay, that should be 12 there. Okay, so it's a bit obviously muddly there. Hello, Reg, welcome, my friend, welcome. Okay, and then raspberry. So let's work out, so we got 360 minus 90, so that'd be 250. So 250 minus 144 minus 72. So 0 take away 4, I can't do. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the rose, Reg. Thank you for the rose. That's so kind of, so kind of you, actually. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you. Thank you for any gifts, guys. Thank you for all the roses. Okay. I mean, my target actually tonight, was actually 50. But don't panic, if we don't actually hit 50, But thank you for any gifts, guys. Thank you for any gifts. So 0 take 4, I can't do anything. Borrow. Okay. That becomes 4. So 10 take 4 is 6. 4 take 4 is 0. 2 take 1 is going to be 1. So minus 72. Okay. So 6 take away 2 is 4. 0 take 7, I can't do anything. Borrow. That becomes 10. Becomes 34. So raspberry, obviously, be 34 degrees. Okay. So what is that going to be? Well, 34 out of 360, and then times that by 60. Okay, yeah, because obviously there are 60 in the class. Okay, can someone work out for me? So what would that be? No, is that a whole number or not? Or have I made a mistake? Ah, yes. It is meant to be 44. Is that right? I think I made a mistake. So yeah, it should be sorry. It should be sorry. It should be sorry. It is meant to be a 54. If I'm not mistaken, it should be 54. I think. Okay. Yeah. So 54. Yeah, 54. Sorry about that. Yes, it should be 54. Okay. So that'll be 1/6. So 54 divided by 6 makes 9. Okay. So let's do like a rough sketch. So 9 will be up here. Again, with a pencil ruler. Okay. And again, if you're not sure, obviously check it. Okay. So yeah. So toffee, that's going to be 24. That's 15. So that will be what? So 24 plus 12 makes 36. 36 plus 9 makes 45. 45 plus 15 makes 60. So that is indeed correct. Okay. So that was actually meant to be a 270. Not 250. It's meant to be 270 there. Okay, that is actually my fault. Sorry about that. It's my fault. Okay. So that answer was meant to obviously give us 54 at the end, not 34. Okay. When you work it out, 54 3/60ths. Okay. Oh, there we go. Times 60. Oh, that's my fault. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, yeah. Just late night maths. Hello, miss. Welcome, miss. Hello, impact maths teacher. Welcome, miss. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Hello, hello. Right, so that's that part there. Okay. Right, let's move on. Okay, so I think, that is our last question, guys. Okay. So that takes us to the end of today's live. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Yeah, are there any questions? Let me know. Okay. There we go. Okay. Awesome, miss. Hello, hello. Welcome, miss. Thank you so much. Thank you thank you for joining, miss. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. Okay. So this topic here, you're looking at interpreting and constructing pie charts. Okay, for higher and foundation. Okay, quite an important topic. But guys, that is the end of today's live. Okay, so I think we'll obviously call it a day for there. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, miss. Thank you. And thank you so much, Reg. Thank you for the gift, Reg. So Kaya, I will try and make an announcement in the coming days about the plan going forward. Okay. But just keep an eye on my story. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, miss. Thank you so much for the gift, miss. Oh my God, thank you so much, miss. Thank you so much, miss. That is so kind of you, miss. Thank you so much for the gift, miss. You legend. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you, Regia. Thank you, Regia, for the gift. Come on, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gifts, guys. That is so kind of you. Okay. We need 47 more roses to smash our target tonight. But if not, don't worry. But thank you for all the gifts, guys. Thank you for all the gifts. That is so kind of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss. Thank you so much. Oh, come on, Miss. Oh, come on, Miss is going in. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gifts, Miss. Oh my God. I am going to start doing some A-level soon actually, joining my friend soon, okay, so soon. So keep an eye on my page. My A-level lives just like what it's yeah, yeah, I'll probably do them on my YouTube channel yeah. So keep an eye on my YouTube tab, okay. But A levels, yeah, well, I think we'll start actually pretty soon, yeah. So maybe just before or just after the exam. Oh, thank you so much, thank you so much, Miss, for the roses. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss. That is so kind of you, Miss. Thank you so much, yeah. Awesome, Reg. That is what I like to hear, yeah. That is what I like to hear. Okay. So positive to positive, okay. Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you everyone for the gifts. Wow. We smashed it, guys, yeah. We smashed it tonight. Yeah? Exactly, Jonah. Yes, yes, exactly. Hello, Abdullah. Welcome, my friend. Right, guys, I'll be here, yeah, for any more questions, okay? So, yeah. Right, guys, yeah. Next question now is drop your topic requests, okay, for videos, okay, that I can film or record. Okay, let me know. Drop your topic requests, yeah, okay. And please, please, yeah, please, guys, yeah, help me reach 10K followers. So my target, guys, guys, is by December 31st, yeah, just before midnight, yeah, on New Year's Day, I want to hit 10K followers. Okay, that is my target. So TikTok can start paying me in it and need to start being rich, guys. Okay, that is my target. Okay, so man needs to start making money on TikTok. Okay, so make sure, okay, get me to 10K followers, by the end of this year. Okay, and then I can promise you that the lives will be happening, okay, every day. If I hit 10K followers, okay, that is a promise, that you can hold me account. Oh, thanks so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Jonah. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Okay. But guys, anyone that's new here, okay, press that follow button here. It's completely free to follow me. Okay, and share my account. Okay. And if anyone's looking for one-to-one tutoring here, I have got 4 spaces left for one-to-one tutoring. Okay. So send me a message, okay, or if you're looking for a tutor, okay. Hello, Grace. Welcome, Grace. But guys, I'll be here, for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll call it a night. But thank you for all the support tonight, guys, and thank you for all the gifts. Okay, thank you so much, for all the gifts. That is so kind of you. But any questions, guys? Give me a shout, okay? So, guys, do you have any particular topic request or requests? Sorry, I should say. Okay, for maths. Okay, I cover all levels. Okay, so let's think. Okay, so let me make a note actually. So, Jonan, wants me to do logarithms, and geometric sequences, so I can definitely do that actually at some point. Okay, so Reg, or anyone else here, do you have any topics here that you want me to cover? Or impact maths here, or miss any topics here, let me know and I'll be happy to cover it. Although, obviously, I know you're in like a different country to me, but okay. So I cover all level maths, guys, in the UK, from Key Stage 1 to A level, A level further maths. Okay, and even, maths at uni. But any topic requests here, just obviously let me know. But guys, thank you for all the gifts tonight. Okay, thank you for all the gifts. We need 17 more roses to hit our target tonight. I know I'm being a bit beggy now, but 17 roses, guys, and then we smashed our target tonight, okay? And you are welcome here to obviously subscribe to me, okay? It's £3 a month here to obviously support my page. Okay, if anyone wants to subscribe as well. But yeah. Right, guys, I'll call it a night. Okay, so if there's no more questions, yeah, I'll call it a night. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, yeah, for being here tonight. And I shall see you all probably either tomorrow night or on Monday night. Okay, bye for now. Okay, take care. All the best. Stay safe. And I'll see you soon. Okay, bye for now.